Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, I hope you're all doing great, and in today's video I wanted to share a new nail polish of the week color. But before I go in with the whole shebang, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start with this new manicure and just talk about all of the products that I'm going to use. So first of all, make sure that you have removed your previous manicure if there was still any polish left on the nail, or if you were working on bare nails, just run over it with a little cotton pad and a little bit of remover or rubbing alcohol, just to make sure that your nail plate is completely clean, dust free, oil free, and so on. That actually makes sure that your nail polishes has something to grip on and it won't like peel off or chip off as easily if there was anything on there. But yeah, the base coat that I'm going to use is my favorite at the moment. I feel like I'm using this one all day, every day. Like, I'm obsessed. It is by PJR Care nail polish. It is an original Dutch brand. You guys know me, I am Dutch as well, so I really love to support my local businesses and brands and so on, but they do ship to other countries as well, so you don't have to be especially from the Netherlands or anything like that to get your hands on these. Also, if you have any questions, just ask them on Instagram. I'm pretty sure that they're really like happy to help you out if you have any questions. And I do have a 25% discount code for this brand, so if you want to check it out, please do so. I'm not getting paid or anything like that to actually share that code with you. It's just something that the brand provided me to share with you guys. So yeah, just make sure that you have applied a decent layer of base coat and cap off the tips as well to prevent any chipping and tip wear. For today's color, I'm so in love with this one. This one is a color by Zoya. It is called Tommy. It is a gorgeous, icy, dusty blue, I'd say. So it's a very light, kind of like a baby blue kind of color, but there are some drops of gray in there, which makes it a very muted, very dusty tone. And if you have been hanging out with me at my YouTube channel for a longer period of time, you know that I love my dusty colors, and especially dusty rose and dusty pinks. But this dusty blue is just so pretty, and I felt like it suited perfectly, or at least it matched perfectly with the icy blue kind of like snowflake design that I was wearing on my right hand. I actually pre-recorded this video, I think it was like the end of November or something like that. I still have a ton of colors to share with you in my nail polish of the week videos, so I am pretty much kind of like deciding to do a compilation of 3 colors that I've done a couple of times already, like once a month or something. So you will have 3 regular nail polish of the week videos like I'm doing right here with like full on voiceover and stuff like that, and I'm just going to do once every 4 weeks a compilation where I do a little intro voiceover and music just to relax with and so on, once a month as well. I think that's a really nice like combination, because I know a lot of you actually really like me talking through my videos, just explaining what I do, just relax with me a bit as well, paint your nails together with me and so on. But I feel like if I do just one color like every single week, it is not enough time to actually do a full-on manicure together with me while watching this video. So yeah, I am going to do a longer video, like 25 towards 30 minutes, so you actually have enough time to do your nails together with me while watching my video and hanging out with me during live chats and stuff like that. But yeah, that was just a little side note I wanted to put out there, because I know that pretty much like the bigger half of my viewers like me talking through my video, but I know it can be quite nice to just watch someone paint their nails while you're doing your manicure as well, just listening to some relaxing music, just have a little bit of me time. So yeah, I'm just going to do kind of like a combination of those two, you know? But yeah, back to the color, because I'm rambling too much already. This is such a gorgeous tone. I do feel like it definitely needs a second layer. As you can see, especially on the ring finger, it's still a little patchy. And yeah, I just prefer applying 2 thin coats instead of just one thicker one. That actually helps out reducing dry time as well. Just making sure that you don't have to wait an hour before your manicure is completely dry. So just make sure to apply thin layers. Same goes for your base and top coat usually as well, kind of depending on what brand or base and top you are actually using. But yeah, for this second coat already, you can tell it is like 95% opaque towards like fully opaque, I'd say. It also kind of depends on the length of your nails, because I have quite long natural nails, so I sometimes need an extra like third additional layer or coat to make it completely opaque, especially if the polish is a little bit sheer or I've overworked the polish a bit, that I've dragged the brush a little too often on top of the polish, actually picking up some polish from the previous coat. You know, sometimes you just need an extra layer to make it completely opaque. And if you are like me and you really love an opaque finish, you don't want your natural smile line to peek through, just add another thin coat, because it dries pretty quickly as well. Especially Zoya polishes, I don't feel like you have to wait a really long time before they're actually completely dry. I do get asked quite often how much time I actually take in between layers just to let the previous applied polish coat fully dry. I'd say I wait about like 3 to 5 minutes, also depending on the polish. Of course, with metallic, shimmery and glittery polishes you don't have to wait super long, so usually just a couple of minutes is good enough before those are actually dry enough to apply a second or third coat. For some polishes they just take forever, especially if you have applied a little bit of a too thick of a layer. Just make sure you wait for like 10 minutes or something like that. And of course, if you've been doing your nails for as long as I've been doing my nails, you pretty much know how it feels, like how tacky polish is and when it is the right time to actually go in with your top coat, which we're going to do right now. This one is the top coat by PJR Care nail polish as well. I'm just really in love with their base and their top coat. They dry super fast. Like if I do like one hand at a time, like I'm doing actually in these videos, I think it only takes like 2 minutes before it is completely dry. It is insane. And I'm not even in like a very hot temperatured room or area or anything like that. It just dries super fast, and especially the top coat actually dries super glossy as well. I'm actually quite curious to know if they do have a matte top coat, because I'm still on the lookout for a new matte top coat. I only have one by Essence Cosmetics, and I feel like it's kind of like a trial and error run, because sometimes it kind of not works the way I want it to be. Like sometimes when I apply a matte top coat, which doesn't really happen that often because I'm more of like a glossy finish kind of girl, I feel like it kind of like for some nails it does dry completely matte, but then the next one is more of like a satiny finish, or it doesn't even dry up matte at all. I'm just on the lookout for a new one. So if you have any suggestions for a good matte top coat, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video already. Definitely let me know what you think about this beautiful, creamy, dusty, bluish, grayish kind of color. I think it's very suiting for this time of year, winter and all. And yeah, it is completely opaque in just 2 thin coats on my nails. You might even be good to go with just 1 coat if you have shorter nails. But yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with this color. It is very pretty, very nice, very creamy. Zoya polishes are about 15 euros a bottle here in the Netherlands, so they aren't very inexpensive, but definitely worth the price. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.